Don't forget that the level of rent you pay will change from Monday, the 3rd of April. You should have received a letter from the council telling you what your new level of rent will be for 2023-24. If you have any questions about your rent level, you can contact your housing locality team on 01738 476 000, option 2, to speak to a member of staff. Your locality team can also help if you are struggling to pay your rent. A range of practical help and support is available. If you're a PKC tenant and you receive Universal Credit, don't forget to update your rent amount in your Universal Credit Journal after the 3rd of April. Answer the questions in the report any changes to your housing costs section of your online Universal Credit Journal. This will ensure that the amount you receive in Universal Credit will continue to cover the cost of your rent. Thank you.